keys, camera, nigga, bitches. I'm talking about running off a bounce, man, you know I'm with it. I'm talking about chopper 100 round, man, they get the 50.
Arrived here at the airport at like 6:30 in the morning. Didn't sleep all night. Okay, here, my flight's delayed. Plus, when I got here, I was going to the gate, and guess what? There was literally a gate blocking the gate. So I had to wait for a garage door to open to access just the gate area to be able to speak to someone. It's crazy. Like, how does this stuff happen? It's crazy. Okay, what do I have to beat? Okay, I'm about to beat 160 right in front of you on camera, first try. You know what? It's getting better. Nice arch. Distance. We're going purple. Oh my gosh. What is that? See? Every time I turn the camera off, it's like the best one, the biggest one. Hello, is this Uber for Wasif? Sorry, why do you have your windows tinted so much? I can't even see you.
I got Uber inspection with my windows tinted.
What's good, man? Long time no see, brother. Okay.
Oh my god, finally someone links up.
Bro, thank you so much for making time for me, bro. Otherwise, I don't know what I would do.
Good, we can go back.
Go back to Calgary? I could do that, okay. Yo, why are we changing here?
Just change here. Oh, bro,
Yo, I'm just gonna change in the...
Look,
Yo, bro, just sit inside and just change inside the whip.
Yo, we don't have time for this.
Yo!
Okay, come watch you.
This guy's pouring his prime drink. Yo, we don't have time.
Come with me.
Wait, I need my wallet, no?
Get your ID.
Yo, I'm already cold, bro. I'm already freezing.
Huh? It's not even that bad, don't stress.
It is, bro. Yeah. Can you feel the wind on your? Can you? You just said it's not bad. It's windy and you wanted a jet ski. Look at how you're not even recording properly.
Wallah, bro, if the sun is just hitting full time,
yeah,
it's not bad.
Yeah, this right here is good. All right, son. Are you jumping in the water first today?
Out of all these guys, I'll be the first one to jump in the water.
It's actually really cold here. Hold this. So we got the boat. We actually had a jet ski booked as well, but it's Sylvan Lake, Alberta. But it's so windy. I think it's the worst day to come to the water. So we ended up canceling the jet ski, and we got the boat, and that's about it. But we got the tube, and show them the tube. Show them the tube.
Oh, nice.
We got the tube on the back. Yes, sir. Yo, bro, chill, man.
You cannot, like, I'll be really honest. One thing I'll tell you: if you're posting this on YouTube, they don't want to see the guy jumping in. They want to see you just come in with the energy and do it. I'll be really. He's gonna edit that part out.
It hurt me before. You said let love grow, but not no more. You took time to grow. Stop blowing up my phone, and now I'm loaded with emotions.
You living your best life?
It can't be real.
Sit here, sit like this.
Oh, this is proper, bro. Yo! Wait, did you see that happen? That. Yeah, you did. Well, I don't want the wake to push it away.
That's what I'm saying. Go around it and then go on that side so it's gonna push you towards us. Turn. You gotta be careful, bro. The rope will not get stuck under the propeller. I'm gonna take this guy. Get the rope. Get the rope. I'm gonna tie it. Get the rope. I'm gonna tie it and we're gonna do it.
I know this will happen one day. I can't lie, I just wish I never met you in the first place.
276?
Is it 6 or 8?
Oh my god, it's a Tucson. Is this us?
I think so. Wait, let me try locking.
It's us, okay. Okay. All right, boys and girls, we are here in San Francisco, California, and it's freezing cold, but we're enjoying the day. We just picked up the car. Now we officially have a car. We flew in last night on 4th of July. It was packed. We missed the fireworks because we slept in. We have a lot of things to do. We are gonna go to Santa Cruz to go see the beach, see some palm trees. We also gotta see the Golden Gate Bridge and all, obviously, the main things. Again, it's really cold here, but it is what it is. And this is a day in the life, so I don't even know what we're gonna record. We're just gonna bunch them all together. And there's there's self-driving cars. Show them. Oh my God, so bright, hold on. Look at this, self-driving cars. Bro, what's happening, brother? There's literally no one driving. It has like 17 different LiDAR cameras. There's literally no one in there.
I love your body in a way that it moves. You need someone loving you the way.
This is so beautiful. Look at that view, man. That's so crazy. Yo, people live here every day. Some people are in Brampton right now. Oh my God, some people are in Scarborough. Anything's better than Calgary. Anything is better than Calgary. Like, I actually like that more. Like, there's so much diversity in trees and plants. Wait, which one did you get? Which one did you get?
I got the Mexicali.
And I got the Americani. Americali? Can you stop focusing on my face, please? All right, so we booked the Alcatraz. No, not tour. We couldn't get the Alcatraz tour. But we got a boat tour around the pier, man. All right, this is it. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna see the sunset, and we're also gonna see the sea lions, and we're also gonna go under the bridge, Alcatraz, something that we missed because apparently it's all sold. Apparently everyone wants to see Alcatraz. We missed that, so I guess we kind of get to see a little bit of that. Yo, look at him.
There's a baby one.
Where? Oh, those are all babies. Yo. There goes the sail, man. We locked in. Oh my God, we're getting faster and faster. The water's getting crazier and crazier. So I cannot do a fake wake up morning scene. It's just not in me. I'm not that big of a YouTuber yet. But we're in San Francisco for one more day, and today we're doing a lot of things. We're driving down to Santa Cruz to go see the beach, and we're also going to a couple of spots along the way. All right, first stop, Half Moon Bay. No traffic. We're chilling on traffic. Because it's a Sunday, probably. Do you think the Bay Area gets crazy during traffic? Oh, never mind. We literally just hit traffic as soon as I said that. Stop talking. Why is my maps talking?
Passive with the things you said. Passing up on my always. I can't blame you now.
Pulled up to this small little beach on the way to Santa Cruz. This is like the craziest. Like, that's wild. What is this? And how did all these trees get here? And people made like small little huts. Like, look at this one. Like, bro, you know how much I'd love this as a kid? Look, you have like a chair, MTV Cribs, the washroom, a beam to hang your clothes and wash, nice structured roof. Oh, never mind. Nice little beam supports. And of course, the seat. What is that? My phone's going off. Oh, little beam support. Come on in. Come on in. Yeah, I purchased this in Toronto, about $3.4 million. Quite nice. You get a nice sea view, good little roof. It's pretty nice in here actually. I wouldn't know if I'd stay here long term. It's like super cloudy. So I'm gonna ask Gemini. Yo, no auto unlock? Is there any, is it cloudy in Santa Cruz?
Currently in Santa Cruz, it's 19 degrees and mostly sunny. Today,
Mostly
it'll
sunny.
be mostly sunny with a forecasted high of 19 and a low of 12.
Okay. Should be good, hopefully. We're still 50 minutes out, yo. We gotta like actually jump on it. Yeah, there's. They got like it's like a proper pier, and it's pretty long as well. And the drive was really nice. That means it's fake. Yo, and oh, but these guys probably don't take cards. No way. Yo. Wait, explain to me the hype behind these. Like, what's the hype behind these? Why do people like them so much? Huh? Wait, is there supposed to be a QR code right here? But what, I don't understand, what is the hype behind Labubus?
I don't know either. These ones are cute though.
There's actually a lot of stuff here. Where should the QR code be? On the back, right? All right, that was fun. But I'm just kind of sad I didn't get to record like a lot of things. Now we're on our way to Redwood Forest, which I promise you when we get there, we're not gonna be seeing anything. It's gonna be pitch black. It's 8:03, we get there 8:17, sunset like 10 minutes after, but that's still fine. As long as we can get in, just look at them in the light, that's good. That's all I care about. I just wanna see them. And I'm gonna pop up a screenshot of the Redwood game or Redwood
Take it
map.
on a 20-year-old camera.
Oh my god, I have no idea where I'm going, by the way, because you're not even plugged into the
I literally plugged
CarPlay.
in. It's right here. It's okay.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much for telling me.
Okay, it'll read.
We are in the middle of the intersection. Oh, by the way, so right here.
Straight, straight.
It's straight, it's left, it's straight, it's left, it's straight, it's left.
Keep going straight. Okay.
Looking for size comparison, bro. Look at this. This is the most grainiest footage, but I do not care. It's true. What a crazy experience. Oh my gosh. I'm not even joking, I used to wall run these. I used to wall run these in VO3. So I know very well. I actually know this map very, very well. So crazy how stuff like this exists. I know. Alright guys, last day here in San Francisco, and the one thing I really been wanting to try this whole time is a Waymo self-driving car. So instead of taking the train all the way down to the station or all the way down to the airport the mall from here, we're gonna take the Waymo to here to the further station, and then from there we're gonna go to the mall. So I'm gonna call the Waymo, and hopefully it goes good. Okay, I ordered it, and it says they'll be here in 3 minutes. That's crazy. Can we open the trunk somehow? Unlock? Okay, it's unlocked. How do we open the trunk? So how do we do this? Wait, I can't move this seat back? Okay, start ride.
Vehicle up riding with us.
What? 28 minutes till arrival. Yo, this is crazy.
How many minutes?
28 minutes.
Why is it that long?
Oh, we're going deep. We're going pretty deep. Okay, so it's Papa just turned all alone in downtown San Francisco. Wait, how do I stop the music? Wait, this is crazy, bro. Wait, but you know on the steering wheel it says wait. It says please keep your hands off the wheel. The Waymo driver is in control at all. Oh my gosh. Just slammed on the brakes. Okay, so I can control route view. Okay. License plate Jaguar. Car leaned out a little bit here. Let's see what it does. Okay, indicates. Oh my, it soars right past it, bruh. It's crazy. Alright, looks like we've hit our first. Yo, we're not gonna make it, Waymo. Chill. Waymo was about to squeeze through. This is not squeezable at all. Oh my gosh, poor UPS driver has to move because a self-driving car. There it goes. It's just off to the next. It's just off to the next thing. Like, that's so crazy. We pulled up to the mall to kill 1 whole hour, 2 hours, probably 3 hours. We pull up to a mall, and guess what happens? Abandoned. Why is every single mall abandoned in San Francisco? Who does not charge their phone a day before their flight? My wife. Now we're here waiting for her to charge so we can use her Clipper card to get her on the train, and then we're gonna go to the airport, and that's it. What are you recording? You're not even recording me. Why are you angled this way? You're not.
I promise I'm recording.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Last time.
This last? Oh. My head looks way too big on this. I can't get it.
So laughing or crying will only make it worse.
I used to live 1 hour from Banff, and I took it for granted. That's the one thing I miss about Calgary. It'll always be Banff. Wow, man, look at the view. Breathtaking views. Holy, look at that cloud on top of that mountain down there. And that over there is an old weather tower. Oh, it's not even focusing. It's an old weather tower. Wait, old weather tower. But you gotta trek all of this, up all of this, just to get to it. It's time, man.
Yeah, let's go. It's the best time.
It's time to be a weatherman. That is way too far. My back's already hurting. But what is Switzerland's better? Have you been to Switzerland?
That's hills, this is mountains.
No, the Swiss Alps. He just said the Swiss Alps are made after the Rocky Mountains. Can we get a fact check on that?